My video tutorial is about getting rid of the ransomware called Gazp, G-A-Z-P. By the way, this is the ransomware belonging to the DJVU ransomware family. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting it. In the video, I will show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open any of your files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware called Gazp may be easily injected into the system. So very soon users may restart their computers and suddenly realize that something bad has taken place with their files. So let's do that. We will sign out and then we will sign in again. And then, as I said, you will see the results of the ransomware attack on the files. This ransomware is called Gazp because it encrypts the files and appends this special Gazp extension to the file name, so it is not possible to use the files anymore with this Gazp extension. The ransomware not only appends this Gazp extension, it also tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery, which is $980. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea because this does not guarantee the file restoration. So don't pay the ransom, don't waste the money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus, such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus, by the way. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install the application, and then you need to click on a special Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available, and the software will first of all update its anti-malware database. Truly, this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. I want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware to protect your data with this anti-ransomware feature, but file decryption is not possible for Combo Cleaner or for any other antivirus. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Certain threats, of course, can be removed manually, but we believe that upgrading to premium is a much better solution. So, in the description to this video, you will find a special link which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.